Hey everybody, Jeremy up here at Cowtown. Today we're doing something a little bit different. This is actually a custom boat built by Adam here. He's with Land and Sea. This is what is it, Adam? It's going to be a land and a lake type
RV.
deal.
It's a trailerable houseboat. So you can take it down the road, take it to an RV park, or launch it off in the water, use it as a houseboat.
Awesome. So it's a pretty versatile setup, it looks like. We actually rigged it up with two 90 horsepower Evinrude E-TEC engines. It should be pretty well powered. If you guys can get the side of the boat here and stuff, you can see it's a beautiful setup. You know, a lot of cool features on this thing. I know I've been in and out of it multiple different times, kind of scoping it out. I think everybody here has. So if you've got any question for me on any engines, give me a call, 573-885-6300. Or if you've got any questions with Adam here at Land and Sea RV, what's a good number to get a hold of?
Well, look us up online, landandscrv.com.
All right, awesome. Well, we'll go from there, and stay tuned, guys. We got a lot more stuff coming in.
I'm Adam Michaud with Land and Sea RV. This here is our latest Land and Sea RV trailerable houseboat built for the Cornwells. This one gets twin 90 horse Evinrude outboard motors. When we've got, it's all aluminum construction, inside and out. We build the trailer out of 1/2-inch aluminum also. Inside here, it's fully set up for sleeping, whether you're at an RV park or out on the water. You can make both sofas out into beds, so on this one you can sleep 4. There's seating inside for 7, and there's also a bench on the outside for outdoor seating. Alright, we got the propane cooktop here, 2-burner cooktop. Propane furnace right here. All your cabinetry is fully custom hardwood cabinets. And then inside here you've got the full bathroom. It's got the sink, toilet, and then a standalone shower, which is kind of rare in something this size. Up above here we've got the air conditioner. Then we got a convection microwave, propane, or AC electric refrigerator. This will be the other sofa bed. This one's still under construction, so there's some things not done. You got your TV right here. You can kick it out, watch it from the couch. Then here's your helm with all your controls for your Evinrudes and steering and fish finder and everything like that.
Awesome, guys. This is a pretty slick setup that Adam's building here. Look them up, Land and Sea RV, on the internet, and get yourself one of these things. It's pretty slick. Lots of cool options. Some nice Evinrudes hanging on the back of it.